Hello, my friends, and welcome back. In today's video, I am going to show you guys how to prepare this delicious pork tenderloin. So easy to do, my friend. You only need a few simple ingredients. You're gonna need some salt, pepper, honey, some Worcestershire sauce, some lemon, Dijon mustard, garlic powder, onion powder, and teriyaki sauce, and some garlic, of course. And that's it. Super quick and super easy and flavorful. And I'm going to be preparing this delicious pork tenderloin with some garlic roasted potatoes. So, my friend, let's get cooking. I don't know about you guys, but I do roasted potatoes at least twice a week. It is a favorite with my family. And not only that, it is so easy to prepare. So we're going to go ahead and start with our pork tenderloin. And what we're going to do is we're going to dry our tenderloin nicely before seasoning. And this right here is key. Be generous, my friends. Now be careful. Remember, I cook to taste, okay? Pretty much I am going to eyeball this, okay? So I'm going to do some salt, pepper, and of course the garlic and the onion powder, okay? And at the end, you're going to see me drizzle some oil because this is going to help when I sear this tenderloin before actually putting this in the oven. Now I'm going to go ahead and set this aside and I'm going to work on my delicious sauce. Now I have 3 garlics here. I'm not going to use the 3. I'm going to only do 2. And this sauce right here, my friends, it's key to this recipe. And if you ask me, you can use this sauce with just about anything, especially with chicken. I'm going to actually do 2 ounces of the teriyaki sauce, and then I'm going to also do 2 ounces with the Dijon mustard, and of course I'm going to also do 2 ounces with the honey. Now this is to taste. If you want more honey, go ahead. You like it on the sweet side, you can go ahead and add actually more honey if you prefer. Now with the Worcestershire sauce, I'm only doing a tablespoon, okay? And I'm doing half of a, could be lemon or lime, it doesn't matter. It's gonna give this sauce such a nice and just sweet, tangy taste. And we're gonna go ahead and whisk away, and we're gonna set this aside, and we're gonna let all these ingredients marinate. It's gonna be so good. And this is the time to taste, my friend, and add additional ingredients if you like. So we're gonna go ahead and we are gonna sear our pork tenderloin, and I'm gonna do about 2 to 3 minutes on each side and every inch of it, okay? So be careful. I always say this with the stove. Mine is actually on a medium high, okay? So be careful with this because we don't want to overcook our pork tenderloin because it's gonna go in the oven for a few minutes as well. pork loin is ready. I'm going to be using a baking dish. This is going to actually go in the oven at 375 for about 20 to 25 minutes or until the internal temperature is at 144. Now, this is the best part. So we are going to go ahead and rub some of this sauce all over this tenderloin before we put it in the oven. And then we are going to actually save some aside to add some at the end as well. Now these are ready to go in the oven at 375 for 20 to 25 minutes. Now here's the trick, my friends. My 20 minutes are up. I'm going to go ahead and rub some of this deliciousness of sauce to my pork tenderloin. And then I'm going to cover the pork tenderloin for a good 5 minutes. And my friends, this is it. It's ready. Now you tell me if this was not an easy recipe. Now look how beautiful and tender this tenderloin actually came out, and the flavors, because this sauce right here, I am telling you, is the best. And the best part, like I said earlier, if you want to add more sweet or more tanginess, like lemon or lime, you can go right ahead, my friends. That is really up to you. My friends, as always, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that little bell so you guys don't miss out on videos. And I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye and take care.